Hello, welcome back to Rehearsals with Ade the violinist, and today I'll be teaching you on how to play your A major scale. The A major scale, the very simple scale. We've come this far, let's take it further. So the A major scale, of course, the violin, this is your G, this is your A, and then your B, this is your A, of course, this is your open G, this is your A. So you understand that this is your B, is your C, is your D, your E, your F, your G, then your A, which is your open A here also, and your B, then your C, then your D, then your E, this is also your open E, your F here, then your G, then your A again. So you can see A is at least A, you saw A here, you saw A on the open string here, and you saw A here also. So let's link all the A's together. Is that good? That's good. So the A major scale, you need to know the notes that makes up the A major scale. We have A, we have B, we have C sharp, then we have D, then we have E, then we have F sharp, then we have G sharp, then we have A. That is your open A. Then we have B, continuous, that is A, B, then we have C sharp, then we have D, then we have E, then we have F sharp, then we have G sharp, then we have A. Those are the notes that makes up the A major scale. So for the A major scale, we could see that we have about how many sharps? We have C sharp on the A, we have C sharp, that is for A, we have B, C sharp, we have one C sharp there, we have F sharp there also, and we have G sharp there. So this is your A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. So we have three sharps in making up the A major scale. So in playing the A major scale is very simple. First, your first finger on G is your A, that is your Do. Then your second finger is your Re, that is your B. Then your third finger, you can see the spacings. Can you see the spacings here? The third finger is your Mi, that is your C sharp. Then your Fa is your D, either your fourth finger this way or your open string D. And your Saw is your first finger, that's your E on D string. Then your La is your F sharp. Then your T is your G sharp. You can see the spacing also. Your T is your G sharp. T is your G sharp. I hope the light is bright enough. The T is your G sharp. Then your Do is your A, or your open string A. Then your Re is your B again. Your Mi, your C sharp. Then D is your Fa. Then E, open string, is your Saw. Then F sharp is your La. Then G sharp is your T. Then A is your Do. So you can see that there. So take it backwards. Open string. And that is all for the A major scale. So it's very important that we rehearse with the metronomy. So I'm going to play the metronomy so that we can rehearse with metronomy. So we go. also it's very important that you know your fingerboard, the note on your fingerboard in order to guide you on the finger place. The last time we marked our violin, so I hope it helps you also. I've removed mine. So thank you very much for watching, and then see you in the next class.